Welcome, in front of me is a REALME C11, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD into your device. So before we get started, you will need this SIM eject tool. Now it comes provided in the box, so you can find it somewhere in there, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So let's pop out the tray, which is located at the upper left side of the device, and from here there's space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card, so place them accordingly. You can see so. Now also make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, as these are, and then try not to drop it like I just did by flipping it. So from here, simply slide it back into the device. Now make sure that they don't jump out a little bit, it won't go in otherwise. There we go. And once you insert it, it will automatically ask for the pin, if you have some kind of pin set for your SIM card. There we go. So as you can see, SD card is working, or not SD card, SIM card, and SD card, there's the SD card. So both of them are working fine. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.